Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Life Science Grade 11. The diagram below represents the process of photosynthesis. Question: identify the phases labeled Phase 1 and Phase 2. Phase 1 is known as the light phase, and it occurs when the plant absorbs sunlight. During this stage, light energy is captured by chlorophyll and used to split water molecules, releasing oxygen and producing energy-rich molecules needed later. Phase 2 is called the dark phase, or the Calvin cycle. This phase does not require light directly. Instead, it uses carbon dioxide together with the energy made during the light phase to build glucose, the plant's food. Question: provide the materials labeled A and B. The materials labeled A and B represent light and water, which are both essential for the light phase. Light provides the energy that chlorophyll needs to drive the reactions, while water is split to release hydrogen and oxygen. These two raw materials work together to power the early steps of photosynthesis and prepare the plant for glucose production in the next phase. Question: name the byproduct labeled as C. The byproduct labeled C is oxygen. Oxygen is produced when water molecules are split during the light phase. Since the plant does not need all this oxygen for its own processes, most of it is released into the atmosphere through tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. This oxygen is essential for supporting life on Earth. Question: which substance labeled as D is essential for Phase 2? The substance labeled D is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is required in Phase 2, where the plant uses it to build glucose molecules. In this stage, carbon atoms from carbon dioxide are combined using energy from Phase 1 to form the sugar needed for plant growth and energy. Question: from where is the substance labeled as D obtained? Carbon dioxide, substance D, comes from the atmosphere. It enters the plant through small openings called stomata, which are mainly found on the underside of leaves. Once inside the leaf, the carbon dioxide moves into the chloroplasts, where it is used in the dark phase to form glucose. Question: name the product E that's produced during Phase 2. The product labeled E is glucose. This sugar is created during the dark phase when carbon dioxide is combined with hydrogen, using energy from the light phase. Glucose serves as the main source of chemical energy for the plant and is essential for growth, respiration, and storage. Question: in what form is E stored in plants? Glucose, product E, is stored in plants in the form of starch. Since glucose is reactive and cannot be stored safely for long periods, plants convert it into starch, which is stable and can be kept in leaves, roots, stems, or seeds. When needed, the starch can be broken down again to release glucose for energy.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.